Manipur BJP takes out pro-CAA rally at Bishnupur. Six more rice godown to be built, says Karam Sham. And Modi launches hashtag India Support CAA campaign, says show your support. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. Chief Minister of Manipur Biren Singh today stated that now we have nothing to worry about the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA. He was attending a Jana Jakran Abhiyan at Moirang Kunau Kangjebung ground, Thango in Bishnupur district. Biren said the people have nothing to fear now as we have inner line permit system ILPs. Urging the people to focus on their own jobs and activities, Biren Singh appealed to the public members to stop from indulging in anti-CAA demonstration and added that the centre has finally implemented ILP in Manipur. Criticizing the deed of previous state governments, he said that the BJP-led coalition government has been successful in bringing in ILPs a popular one of the people. A Jan Jakran rally, a big show in support of CAA, was later taken out from Moirang Kumbi Road and culminated at Moirang Kunau Kangjebung ground organized by the state BJP. Chief Minister and Biren Singh, Manipur Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker K. Robindro Singh, Thanga MLA and PTA Chairman T. Robindro Singh, Kumbi MLA Sambira Singh, Segmai MLA Haikam Dingo Singh, Manipur Tourism Chairman and Konthaujam MLA Dr. S. Ranjan Singh, MLA L. Satyabatra, MLA Rameshwar Singh, and several BJP workers and office bearers took part in the Jan Jakran Abhiyan and the demonstration. Manipur Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham stated that efforts are on to build 6 more godowns to increase the rice stock storage capacity in the state. He expressed hope that for these, the state government will get approval from the centre. Talking exclusively to TOMTV, the minister said that CF and PD department has been supplying PDS rice to the masses despite problems crop up from time to time. Rice is supplied to the people under National Food Security Act and hence we have to follow the rules. The minister informed that the government has submitted the required documents for establishment of 6 more rice godowns in the state to augment the storage capacity.
Aduna Cabin PD Department is saying Chaki storage capacity si Wabasi Wadanaba Bharat Sarkar da koi matam sangna Tangnadana Lakwa adi godown Tarukak state ki Sabina Bahaibasi Ojiki 1920 ki Moigi rule to follow Torogati Handakta Moi scrutiny Torakre all information collect Ogre Aduna Sananaba Adu Honori.
Karam Sham also commented on the present problem facing Food Corporation of India FCI and assured of resolving the matter soon. Explaining about the difference between FCI and food and civil supply, the minister said that he has discussed the matter with the DG of FCI and the director to bring an early solution to the stalemate between the FCI and the laborers.
Manipur Sarkarna Yanakumna observed or Matung that to problem Sikarino Haina Nainaraga Adi Suza Nomjariba Koigi Hanadagi Wazaraba Isha Sinlinau Singchigi interesta Manipur Sarkarna Puramak interfere Taudragasu Adi Sarkar Dagi Akanba instruction Nama PU problem si FCI official Singi level Fazana Wari Sarga Loishalu Adu Matam Sangna Sigi problems Athan Bayaru Haidana Manipur Sarkar gi site gi director gi site gi commissioner gi site gi Aduga Isha gi site gi akanba instruction adi pibalai aduna athuba matamda solution porakadabani haibasi both site appeal taujari.
In an attempt to drum up public support over the contentious Citizenship Amendment Act, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched a Twitter outreach campaign using the hashtag India Support CAA and reiterated that the law was not meant to deprive anyone of their citizenship. PM Modi tweeted that the Indian supports CAA because CAA is about giving citizenship to persecuted refugees and not about taking anyone's citizenship away. The Prime Minister also urged the citizens to refer to the Namo mobile app for further information and to extend their support to the law. Earlier, Union Home Minister Amit Shah too clarified that the citizenship law had no provisions of taking away anyone's citizenship. 26 people were killed in the protest against the citizenship law and proposed nationwide National Register of Citizens NRC that broke out in Uttar Pradesh, Assam and Bengaluru, among other areas. 19 of them died in Uttar Pradesh alone. More than half a dozen state governments, including Bihar, led by BJP ally JDU, have opposed implementation of a nationwide NRC. Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next, we have news on Bibatsu Foundation Wangjing organizes Winter Children Art Competition.
Yang wari.
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mengkhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Adongi angang bu wakal budhi lausing thawhannaba Mithoi mihenba amadi punsida mai pakpa ma soidran oina bagidamak ngasimok lengsin birau Genius Mind Tech mafam asida Japan gi akhanaba technology amagi matengna Sunday khuding gi pangthok liba mid brain activation course ase saruk yahanbiu akhoi gi akhanaba course sing di DMIT test ESP LNP photogenic memory quantum speed reading asina chingbani course khuding makki chada chama guarantee pijari akopa moral gidama contact tobiu 9862287481 natraga 8787562714 khoi gi website www.gmtmanipur.in Chasingi marakta miyamna khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba chagi mana singdagi saba asengba amadi mahau leiraba Valley Strong tea asibu mahau lobinabagidamak ngasimak leibiu anoba technique ya sizinaduna semjariba Gambhiras Valley Strong City City asi gram chama chani yankai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokna fanganjari cha asigi mahau lobina bagidamak ngasimak leibiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City
Admission open for Grace Cottage Academy Kakching. CBSE da affiliate tauraba Grace Cottage Academy gi admission hauzare. February tang ahum dagi regular class hauzaragani amadi lakliba January gi tang ahum dagi class 9 gi foundation course amadi class 10 gi question nature nainagadauri masida mahirui singna saruk yanaba khanganjari. Nupa nupi gi tongan ba boarding su laizai loina na bus amadi winger service Kakching Funal Kairak Langmaidong Palel Sora Tekcham Tentha Wangjing su laizai. Hena akupa marol gidamak contact tobiu Grace Cottage Academy Kakching contact number 9366424189.
Admission open for the session 2020-21. Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool, Kawasa Falerak near Nursing Mandir. Facilities available. Digitally smart class, transport facility, fully trained staff, spacious classroom, friendly environment, hygienic midday meal. For more details, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse Preschool. Contact number 700513143 or 700517235.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adongi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lauzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pisari.
Akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road, opposite Nitain the Temple, Natragana.
Lamjingba Finance, Uripok, Havam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoigi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisampad Kaisam Laikai, Imphal.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yumthang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak save taushin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Welcome back after the break. Bibatsu Foundation Wangjing, Thobal District organized a winter children art competition at Wangjing Canteen Community Hall today. Assistant Inspector of School JDO John 3 Thobal, KH Binodini Devi, and other dignitaries were present during the event. The Winter Children Art Competition was organized to mark the end of 2-month-long free painting classes conducted by Bibatsu Foundation Wangjing during school winter break. More than 150 students took part in the competition. Ren Honda, a new authorized service center for Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India Private Limited, was inaugurated today at Kurai Konsam Laikai, Imphal. Speaking at the inauguration of the service center, dealer principal Punya Honda, Andy Mangsatabam said that Honda Automobiles Company is the second largest automobile company in India. Andy said that the popular Honda Activa scooter is sold around 700 daily and has a target of selling around 1,200 in 2020.
Honda na with the help of various network haitare akhoi network company ran automobile suzik hang isu akhoi two-wheeler the system amalai mana authorized service center oina hang isu mangonda akhoi full ride ama gari yon bagi pi company na namde magi income do supplement tauna ba sumaina ren automobiles kuma mayam ama mafam chana Manipur ki mafam khudimakta customer ki manakta changaga makoina anakpa mafam da servicing free servicing lobi bayagani warranty ki benefit lobi bayagani atopada phangamda mayam da khoi authorized ki di phangni.
Awapali Khubam Ningsing Loop has said that the organization is planning to erect a statue of Maharaj Gambhir Singh at Kamranga of Kasar district. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today, Loop Secretary Premjit expressed concern over the present condition of the historically important Awapali Khubam. He felt that the site may lose its existence due to the arrival of railway connectivity. Awapali Khubam Ningsing Loop sought support from the people in the effort to preserve the site.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯁꯥꯔ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ MP MLA amada faawa akhoi ni haiba leite akhoi na simdang tawninge haibada akhoi ni khutting doga simdang akhoi gi ahlaman singi kaino simdang sajage haiba tamda akhoi da khutta lam phangdaba asi sina maram oiraga akhoi na ngasi di akhoi na mating oina nijar pada akhoi mafam karai da su leite akhoi imalai bak siga natana adna hairiba akhoi gi wakhalon na se lamdam asida leiba imai pa leiba amadi akhoi gi leiba organization sing leiba akhoi hoji sarkar pai bi riba akhoi gi chief minister akhoi oja bi na su haiba famasi ndang miyeng chinhan biu amadi akhoi na khanjariba mafam asimakta akhoi matamam da manipur gi ningthauna mafam asimakta ruling tawna leirama mafam ni haiba se akhoi masi masak lon sim takchage haiduna akhoi ngasi press message si kokjabani.
A one-day workshop on violence against women in Manipur was organized by One Stop Center Bishnupur at People's Resource Development Association PRDA Conference Hall Bishnupur today. Odd Commissioner Bishnupur W. Lata, who attended the program as resource person, spoke on different issues faced by women in the society. She said that domestic violence is one of the main problems faced by women. Secretary of Prada, L. Suranjoy, also shared his views on the roles and responsibility of One Stop Center. The Indian Navy has banned Navy personnel from using social media and smartphones at naval bases, dockyards, and onboard warship, according to a media report. The stringent step has been taken by the force after 7 Navy personnel were caught leaking sensitive information to enemy intelligence agencies on social media. The development comes after the Indian Navy cracked a racket where 7 of its personnel were found leaking sensitive information through social media, including Facebook, on December 20. All the 7 sailors involved in the racket were arrested by the Andhra Pradesh Police Department with the help of Central Intelligence inputs. A 6-month free training course in Diploma in Computer Application DCA began today at Gur Ventures Computer Training Center, Kaishampad, under sponsorship of Manipur State's Women Development Corporation, MSWDC Limited. 35 boys and girls are taking part in the training courses. Chairperson of MSWCD, S. Satyabhama Devi, Managing Director of MSWDC, NG Uttam, Assistant Director of MSWDC, TH Nikita, and Executive Engineer of Manipur Water Resource Department, KH Thoilen, were present at the computer course opening event. As Satyabhama said that the corporation has taken up many training programs for youngsters from poor economic background so that they can earn a livelihood. Satyabhama added that the free computer training program will benefit the students and help them in making a livelihood. Satyabhama appealed to the students taking part in training to make the most out of it to lead an independent life.
Certificate si piba matamda dukan da khande any PO ma da khande any mafam amada satpada noi di certificate na noi di upai oi doin na sai ko na yam lai ba chan mangam jada ba to bangam jaba mayap si khat ba do madu no oi doin.
Sero Youth Center, Kakching, has banned picnicking in and around Sero for New Year's Eve and New Year celebration. In a press release, the organization also stated that the passage of Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) in the parliament is a threat to the indigenous people and hence it is not the right time for celebration. Now, once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Menta Events is organizing Menta Fest 2019-20 from 31st December to 9th January 2020 at Waroi Garden, Laimaram. Co-powered by Kangla Construction in association with Career Info Solution. Enjoy the indigenous foods of Sekmai, Andhro, Laimaram, and many others. Experienced international chefs from across the globe. 10% off barbecue nights, bye-bye and New Year special. Tickets available at the following stores. Come and explore the beauty of the garden. Menta Events to rejuvenate the economy of Kanglei Park.
Admission open, admission open. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na recognized Toraba Royal Academy of Science Wangkayim Falgi Academic Session 2021 gi Minjanabagidama Class 6 tagina 10 faubagi form thaba hauzare. Afaba Satra Laizade, Afaba Satra Putok Jabani, Akopa Marol Gidamak Academy Office ta contact Togi.
Singzu Festival 2020
from 28 December 2019 to 6 January 2020.
Festival asigi manuchanda
Thangta,
blood donation camp,
Mukna,
painting competition,
musical night,
solo dance competitions,
Likon,
Miss Singju Queen 2020. Lamdam asida khundaminariba furup kayagi cultural programs su pangthokjaragani.
Singzu Festival 2020.
Singzu Festival 2020.
Lamdam asida khundaminariba isna punamakna.
Toidana saruk yaba lakpiyu. Wangjing Kodom Popi Lampakta pangthokjaragani.
Lamdam asigi miyamna saruk yabiduna festival asibu mapung phanbi.
Institute. Admission open. Courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Impal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Impal. Scan the QR code for online.
Lagliba December 28 ki January mga fauba Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMT na sinduna. Churachandpur District ki manung chana leiriba MMI Complex Lamdanda Youth Adventure and Water Sports Festival 2019 pangthok charagani. District ki package oina lobi bagi khudong chabasu leijari. Trekking, caving, boat race, rafting, motorboating khaktanatana camping na chingba event kaya amasu yaugadauri. Festival asida sarugyana bagidama contact tawbiyo Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association contact number 7005627984 natraga 7005165120.
Welcome back after the break. With the Manipur government taking an official decision to facilitate complete implementation of the Inner Line Permit System ILPs in the state from January 1st next, construction of ILP's office at Foreigner Checkpost at Jiribam district bordering Assam is nearing completion.
January kita ngamat lagi Manipur state asigi oina Inner Line Permit System asigi kana lagani haiduna Manipur Chief Minister N. Singh loksoki bagi matungina hauji Jiribam district asigi foreigner outpost asida Assam yumtang ngari ba Assam state tagi mitop tarak yaba phong ama gate ama oiriba mafam asida hauji office permit kakam office na tingba hauji CM sabai thabaya ama hauji lo chalale tibina ma program dari Jiribam dagi rakhe singma jam.
An organization named Youth Organization Kangabok Yok was formed at Kangabok of Tawal district yesterday. The newly constructed office of the organization was inaugurated by Jila Parishad member Raj Mohan. Speaking on the occasion, Raj Mohan said that Yok will take part in the development activities at Kangabok and the state as well. He also sought support from the people to make Kangabok more progress.
Oba kumangsa leba mipong kuding magna amata wona jut organization na to tham kuding ta support to ba mateng pangba hai ba awari han wore tuma lojare subo wore na masi mayam thana bagi matungina lakatori ba mathangi 2022 gi general election sida Sri Thokchom Yadumani Singhabu Bharatiya Janata Party Khamoki Mandal gi candidate amuna ayam pun hunaminaraga jut laiba mahila the parent I am pulling Hutulaga, Honaga Mahaku, get it Amuraga, my Padamba, I have a postman to worry when loaded.
Dense fog enveloped Delhi and adjoining cities this morning, disrupting air and rail traffic as the visibility was reduced to zero in some parts as per a media report. 30 trains are running late due to low visibility. At least 50 flights have also been delayed, even though authorities earlier said no flights have been cancelled. The airport authorities have asked the air passengers to contact their respective airlines for flight updates. Flights are operating at the airport under Cat 3B conditions, which means that the runway visual range RVR is between 50 meters and 175 meters. 16 flights have been diverted and 4 flights cancelled at Delhi airport due to dense fog. Indian Army Chief General Bipin Rawat has been named as India's first Chief of Defence Staff. General Rawat was named the Chief of Defence Staff just the day before he was to retire from service after completing a full 3-year term as the Chief of Army Staff. General Rawat is the first officer to hold the post of the Chief of Defence Staff, which was set up just days ago. The CDS will function as a single-point advisor to the government on matters related to the military and will focus on better synergy between the Indian Army, Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. Now, the sports news. Top seed Meishna Mairaba yesterday snatched a win from the jaws of defeat to enter his first Junior National Championships final. The Manipuri was trailing 2022 9-15 against third seed Sai Charan Koya before scripting a comeback to win 2022 21-17, 21-10. The match lasted an hour and 21 minutes and included some spectacular rallies between two attacking shuttlers. Sai Charan was a bit error-prone in the opening exchange but recovered well after the first interval to put pressure on Mairaba. A brilliant contest followed as Sai Charan kicked Nick the first game 22-20 and then went on to build a healthy lead from himself in the second. At 9:15 in the second, Mairaba was staring at defeat, but Mairaba did not give up and changed the pace of the match. He was perhaps a bit too defensive early in that second game, but then went for broke as he attacked Sai Charan and smashed winners. NASA defeated Seva LC by 3-0 in the first match of the ongoing Under-15 football tournament organized by District Football Association Moirang at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School ground today. In the second match, YSUC beat UKC by 6-0. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju on Monday said not much should be made of the ugly spat that marred the trial bout between MC Mary Kom and Nikhat Jareen, and the country is proud of both the six-time world champion and her promising challenger. Mary Kom defeated Jareen 9-1 in the trial held on Saturday to make the squad for Olympic qualifiers in China in February. The bout was marred by acrimony as the two boxers did not shake hands after the contest and Mary Kom ignored an attempted hug by Jareen. Rijiju tweeted that Mary Kom is a legend who has achieved what no other boxers has ever achieved in the world amateur boxing. Rijiju also termed Nikhat Jareen as an amazing boxer who has the potential to follow the footsteps of Mary Kom. Rijiju added that India is proud of both of them. Jareen had approached Rijiju with an open letter when the Boxing Federation of India (BFI) flip-flopped on a stated policy and announced the direct selection of Mary Kom for the Olympic qualifiers. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur BJP takes out pro-CAA rally at Bishnupur. Six more rice go down to be built, says Karam Sham. And Modi launches hashtag India Support CAA campaign, says show your support. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.